The United Kingdom? An island nation of royal history, rolling green hills, and ancient castles. Here are 10 beautiful cities you must visit in the UK. The World City on the Thames, London. Big Ben rises elegantly above the Westminster skyline. The Gothic architecture of the Houses of Parliament glows breathtakingly in the evening light. The changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace is a living display of royal tradition. Tower Bridge, with its twin towers rising above the river, is one of London's most iconic sights. The British Museum offers free access to treasures from around the globe. At night, the view of London from the South Bank across the glittering Thames is simply magical. Scotland's ancient capital, Edinburgh. Perched on a volcanic rock, Edinburgh Castle commands a dramatic presence visible from every corner of the city. Walk the cobblestones of the Royal Mile and step into a medieval streetscape. The contrast between the Old Town and the Georgian New Town is a UNESCO World Heritage masterpiece. From the summit of Arthur's Seat, a panoramic view stretches across the city to the distant Firth of Forth. In summer, the Edinburgh Festival draws artists from around the world. The Roman spa city of Bath. 2,000-year-old Roman baths still stand, their steam a living link to the ancient past. Honey-colored Georgian architecture lines every street. The sweeping crescent of the Royal Crescent is an icon of 18th-century elegance. Pulteney Bridge, like Florence's Ponte Vecchio, is a rare bridge lined with shops on both sides. Light streaming through the stained glass of Bath Abbey creates an ethereal glow. This entire city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and perhaps the most elegant town in England. The world's oldest English-speaking university city, Oxford. 39 colleges dot the cityscape, many boasting centuries-old architecture of breathtaking grandeur. The Great Hall of Christ Church inspired the Hogwarts dining hall in Harry Potter. The Bodleian Library, over 400 years old, is one of the oldest libraries in Britain. The circular Radcliffe camera is often called the most beautiful reading room in the world. Students punting on the river is a quintessentially Oxford scene of timeless charm. The city that nurtured Newton and Darwin, Cambridge. The Gothic chapel of King's College boasts the world's largest fan vault ceiling, an architectural wonder of stunning beauty. Punting on the River Cam is an essential Cambridge experience. Drift past beautiful college buildings reflected in the water and savor the gentle pace of this scholarly town. The Mathematical Bridge and the Bridge of Sighs are just two of the unique crossings over the Cam. 800 years of history fill this city with intellect and English beauty. A medieval city steeped in Viking history, York. York Minster's magnificent stained glass windows crown the largest Gothic cathedral in Northern Europe. The overhanging timber-framed buildings of the Shambles are said to have inspired Diagon Alley. This medieval street feels like stepping back 500 years in time. Walk the Roman-era city walls for a full panorama of the town. Enjoy a traditional afternoon tea in a charming tea room, a quintessentially York experience. Honeystone villages scattered across rolling hills, the Cotswolds. William Moore has called Bibury the most beautiful village in England, and one glance tells you why. The stone cottages of Arlington Row beside a gentle stream look like a living postcard. Castlecombe and Bourton on the Water are equally enchanting villages waiting to be explored. Sheep graze on gentle slopes while roses bloom in cottage gardens. The Cotswolds is the very essence of the English countryside, peaceful, timeless, and beautiful. The birthplace of the Beatles, Liverpool. The red brick warehouses of Albert Dock form a UNESCO World Heritage waterfront of striking beauty. The Beatles Story Museum and the Cavern Club bring music history to life. Matthew Street still pulses with live music, carrying on the city's legendary musical tradition. Liverpool Cathedral is the largest church building in Britain. Tate Liverpool showcases world-class contemporary art. This vibrant port city is where music meets culture. The birthplace of William Shakespeare, Stratford-upon-Avon. This charming town along the River Avon is filled with beautiful black and white Tudor timber-framed houses. Shakespeare's birthplace and Anne Hathaway's cottage are among the literary landmarks dotting the town. The Royal Shakespeare Theatre still stages his masterpieces to this day. A boat ride on the Avon reveals graceful swans gliding through a quintessentially English scene. A peaceful and beautiful town where literature and nature exist in perfect harmony. The seat of the Church of England, Canterbury. The Gothic Cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with 1400 years of history etched into its ancient stones. The pilgrimage route from Chaucer's Canterbury Tales preserves a medieval atmosphere that still lingers today. Timber-framed buildings and cobblestone lanes evoke a sense of timeless wonder. From the Westgate Towers, a splendid view unfolds across the entire city. Just 1 hour from London by train, Canterbury is the spiritual heart of England. Royal heritage, stunning countryside, and culture that changed the world. The United Kingdom is a place you will want to return to again and again. Let us know your favorite city in the comments. Subscribe for more travel videos, and we will see you in the next one.